In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to see meeting info in MS Teams. This is a quick but very useful skill, especially if you often need to share meeting details with colleagues, resend the link, or double check the dial-in information. I'll walk you through exactly where to click, and I'll also explain what you can do with the information once you find it. First, make sure you're already in a Microsoft Teams meeting. You can be either the organizer or a participant. Both can access the meeting info. Once you're inside the meeting window, look toward the top of your screen where the main meeting controls are located. This is the bar that usually has the camera, microphone, and screen sharing buttons. On that same control bar, you'll see an icon with 3 small dots arranged horizontally. This is often called the More menu or More options. Move your mouse over that area and then click on the 3 dots. Don't worry if nothing pops out immediately when you hover. You need to actually click to open the menu. When you click the 3 dots, a drop-down menu will appear with several options related to your meeting settings and controls. Take a moment to look through the list so you get familiar with what's there. Among those options, you should see one labeled Meeting Info. This is the option that shows you all the key details about the current meeting. Go ahead and click on Meeting Info. As soon as you do, a small panel or pop-up will appear on your screen. In this panel, you'll typically see the meeting title, the scheduled date and time, and the full meeting link. Depending on how your organization has Teams set up, you might also see a dial-in phone number, a conference ID, and additional joining information. From here, you can copy the meeting link or the entire invitation text so you can send it to someone who needs to join. Usually there's a copy button, or you can highlight and copy the text manually. This is very handy if someone can't find the original invite or if you need to quickly share the link through chat or email. That's all you need to do. Click the 3 dots on the meeting control